Hi, welcome everyone. My name is Bruce Schwartz. We're looking at some really nice high resolution live footage of the surface of the moon. So this D850 is incredible. So I'm always trying to go get more megapixels, obviously. Also, when you're buying a camera, it doesn't always fit or coincide with your telescope. For example, the Fujifilm, I would have bought a Fujifilm, for example, 51 megapixels. But again, you look at the options, you look at the differences and the price, and that one wouldn't not have fit onto my telescope. But the one I have right now, I'm very happy I do. So as we, go up with the megapixels and go into the 60 and 70 megapixels, then we will definitely see 101% all the little fine detail. But we're getting there. We're getting there in real close. So, the color on the surface is incredible. And that's what I'm happy that with this camera, I am going to be able to get so much of the surface. Because I don't just have a Nikon D850, guys. Don't forget, I have this big ass telescope at the end of it, and that's going to really help get amazing images. Back to the UFO recent finding on January 17th, 2019. Now, these lights are shooting out lights. And when I'm saying shooting, it's that lights are coming, what seem to be coming from these objects. And we're going to see that as we advance. Just take a look at it as it's going down by in front of us. These could be research teams of whatever, human or alien, that we do not know, but the lights are moving. It looks intelligent, meaning an intelligent species could possibly be driving these objects. They're looking on the surface for something, or it's their regular transportation. Did you see that light at the end of it, just in front of it, a bit further out in the distance of it? It's hard to show, and for some it's not much, but it's a lot. Now look here, you're going to see two lights coming off of the end of this. There it is, the two lights. We'll see that a couple of times as we're going by. There's lights interacting, around this object. So there it is. So as we're progressing, I'll show it 3, 4, 5 times because I want you guys to really look on the end, just underneath it on the bottom of that light. There we are again. You could see lights coming from the object, and you also see lights scattering going by the object. There it is. I mean, wow, you got to wonder. So now I'm zoomed up even closer now so that we could see properly. See the lights, whatever it may be, there's objects interacting around it. And even off in the distance on the top left there, you can see that there's a reaction to this light that's moving across the surface of the moon. Pretty incredible. It's a UFO. And there's the photo. You can see that these are the lights that are coming either from or going by this supposed UFO on the surface of the moon that was caught January 17th, 2019. So we take this angle, we look at it, and we say, what are we looking at? Well, whatever it may be, it's a physical object. It's lighting up, It's moving across the surface, not fast at all either. These are high dynamic range shots of the surface that were taken again on January 17th. Why is January 17th the theme with this camera and the photos? Because that's the only day I got footage with it so far. So yeah, we're going to follow the Terminator line, guys. We're going to get amazing surface details, structures, UFOs, constructed objects. We'll be looking at that. So yeah, check it out. High dynamic range to see the colors. The moon is so colorful. It looks like a hot piece of metal that you stick in, a blue flame and pull out and you get all these rainbow colors. Well, that's really what the moon looks like because it's beyond colorful, guys. So this morning, the moon at 7 a.m. on January 22nd, 2019, and it is in high dynamic range. Brings out all the details, right? And, you could see each and every line that's on the surface.
Well, guys, this is the daytime moon. It's 7 a.m. The sun is just peeking up now, so it's not quite full, so that's good news. maybe we get some shots. We will get some shots of the moon, guys, as the days progress. And we're going to try the D850 to get some stunning more shots. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good morning.
Just a glimpse, you know. So this is the same exact time. So we're doing the day, the morning. 7 a.m. The sun is on literally the horizon, just peeking up. But by bringing down and compensating the exposure, we can see just like it's nighttime, and we can see a lot better. Look at the waves going around the outer limits of the almost full moon. You can see it like this, right? It's upside down, the moon, by the way, right now. No, it's not flipped over. I flipped it over myself with the editor, because when I film with the camera is stationary in a line with, the horizon, etc., with the telescope and the lens. I don't move it. I never move it. When I buy a camera, it goes on the back of the telescope. I don't use it for other reasons. I use it just solely for the space research and the telescope. So yeah, we see a lot of the waves. Why am I showing this? Because people say, yeah, so what? It happens all the time. No, it actually doesn't. Not that much. And not for me. Like, I've seen it only once or twice oscillating that much, and especially in the morning. So there's a whole bunch of different tests you have to do with that. This is with the P900, by the way. We're going to have a drastic change, but I like having the camera. You know, it's too cold outside. I'm not going to bring out the telescope at 7 a.m. at minus 33, but we can with the P900. We're not supposed to, but I do. Here's high resolution with the Nikon 8D50. The 46 megapixels really shows, and not just the 46 megapixels. There's a good quality and a good many options in this camera. You know, just adjust everything just right. And if everything's adjusted just right, well, wow. Let me tell you, it's a big difference. Beautiful. So I got some music up, and I'll get another video up this afternoon. A couple errands to do. I'll run out and do those, and I'll be back making a video for you guys. Welcome, everyone. Thanks so much for subscribing. Really appreciate you guys all taking the time to do so. More research coming right up. Mikhail Briner and Liza Grassi. Thanks, guys, for the generous contributions. Liza, hi, how's it going? Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks, guys, for being a part of the community. A lot more on its way. Thanks for watching.